How to make double-sided business cards with Cricut. Step 1. First create a design to use in Cricut Design Space. Step 2. If you already have a design in place, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 3. Once the design loads into the canvas, click Shapes and select a square. Step 4. Unlock the square from the toolbar, resize it to your liking, and then go ahead and lock it. Step 5. Resize it again, click on the operation drop-down and select Score. Step 6. Go ahead and place the design on the template. Step 7. Select all the designs and click Group. Step 8. Click on the text icon and type in the text required for your business. Step 9. Resize and place the text on the design. Step 10. Go to text again, then go ahead and add more text. Step 11. Once you're happy with the placement, select the text and the element, click Align and select Center vertically. Step 12. Click Group, then back design element, click Align and select Center vertically, then click Group. Step 13. Select all the designs, click Align and select Center horizontally. Step 14. Select the basic cut rectangle, duplicate it and keep the duplicated rectangle aside. Step 15. Select all the designs, click Slice, then delete the sliced out results you do not need. Step 16. Select the back design, click Arrange and select Send to Back. Step 17. Select all the designs again and click Group. Step 18. Place the duplicated rectangle on the design, select both, click Align and select Center, then click Flatten. Step 19. Select the score line, create a duplicate and drag it away to create the back of the business card. Step 20. Click on Shapes and select a square, then unlock and resize it to the same size as the front business card you just created. Step 21. Duplicate the template you just created, set one aside, then select the duplicated score line and delete it. Step 22. Select the basic cut template, click Operation drop-down and select Score. Step 23. Go ahead and place the uploaded elements onto the design. Step 24. Click on Text and add important details such as address, social media handle or phone number. Step 25. Select the rectangle and the design, then click Slice. Step 26. Then go ahead and delete the sliced results you do not need. Step 27. Now select the design, then click Group. Step 28. Select the template you created earlier, click the Color Swatch button in the Operation section and select White. Step 29. Click the Arrange drop-down and select Send to Back. Step 30. Position the template on the design, select both, click Align and select Center horizontally. Step 31. Click Align again and select Align Bottom. Step 32. Select the template and the design, then click Flatten. Step 33. Once you have both the designs ready, go to Shapes and select a square. Step 34. With the square selected, click on the Color Swatch button and change the color to white. Step 35. Unlock the square and resize it to the maximum print and cut area. Step 36. Now unlock the business cards and size them to the original size you need them. Step 37. Select both the front and back design, click Align and select Center vertically. Step 38. Now select the back design, click Flip drop-down and select Flip horizontally. Step 39. Select both designs, click the Align drop-down and select Center. Step 40. Now the design is over top of one another, then go ahead and click Group. Step 41. Place the design on the rectangle, then copy-paste and arrange as many as you like. Step 42. Now select all the duplicated designs, click Align and select Center horizontally. Step 43. Click Align again and select Distribute vertically. Step 44. Drag the rectangle aside, select all the business cards, then click Group. Step 45. Select the rectangle and the business cards, click Align and select Center. Step 46. Select all the designs, then copy and paste the entire design and set it aside. Step 47. Select the copied design, click Ungroup, then select a single business card and click Ungroup. Step 48. Select the top layer and delete it, and you'll be left with the back design. Step 49. Go ahead and repeat the same steps for all the business cards in this rectangle. Step 50. Once you're left only with the back layer, select them all and click Group. Step 51. Click the Flip drop-down and select Flip Horizontal. Step 52. Now delete the template from both groups. Step 53. Select the group and click Attach. Step 54. When you're ready, click Make It, select the second mat and drag the design over to the right corner. Step 55. Click Continue and click Send to Printer. Step 56. Select the printer, then click Print. Step 57. Take the printed page, flip it over and print the other side to ensure that the business cards are double-sided. Step 58. Confirm that you've printed it correctly, place the printed page on the mat, smooth it down and load it in. Step 59. Go back to Cricut Design Space, set cardstock as material and start cutting. Step 60. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the business cards. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.